The sky itself had leaned and swayed, but only clouds drifting fast betrayed the vision of my wandering eyes. Here flows the river, calm and wide, the drink of hills where hearts reside. Together we share our spirits aligned and give a shelter for all who arrive. Sometimes I return to my hometown lanes, drawn by love that distance cannot restrain. Sometimes I return to my hometown lanes, drawn by love that distance cannot restrain. Oh, the ways of men, how they shift and sway. Oh, the ways of life, I hear them say. I thought the sky itself had leaned and swayed, but only clouds drifting fast betrayed the vision of my wandering eyes. Here flows the river, calm and wide, the drink of hills where hearts reside. Together we share our spirits aligned and give a shelter for all who arrive. Sometimes I return to my hometown lanes, drawn by love that distance cannot restrain. Sometimes I return to my hometown lanes, drawn by love that distance cannot restrain. Oh, the ways of men, how they shift and sway. Oh, the ways of life, I hear them say. I thought the sky itself had leaned and swayed, but only clouds drifting fast betrayed the vision of my wandering